A statement in which you try to say the same thing twice in different words. That's called as tautology. In simple words, tautology is the repeated usage of words or phrases that have similar meaning. We use them to make our ideas much clearer or to add emphasis. Some of the examples of tautology that we use in our everyday lives are close proximity, forward planning, the evening sunset. Is it adequate enough? In my opinion, I think that I made it with my own hands for you. I heard it with my own ears and I know it's true.